मैं जयप्रकाश आचार्य सरस्वती विद्या मंदिर पूर्णिया। मैं आप लोग को फिजिक्स से कुछ समझाने आया हूँ। चैप्टर है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड हाउ इट क्रिएट, हाउ इट वर्क। इस टॉपिक पर आज हम बातचीत करेंगे, चर्चा करेंगे। Here electricity, it is the form of energy. How it is the form of energy? Because by the help of electricity it runs many things, that is industry, domestic use, official use, etc. That is media, multimedia, that is communication, and entertainment. Etc. Industries are run with the help of electricity. Domestic use and official use, multimedia use, communication and entertainment are used, etc. There are different use of electricity, so it is called electricity is the form of energy. Okay, here how electricity is produced. Its source is charge. What is charge and how it produced? I am going to say something to you. That is, everything that is matters which is surrounding us is made of with the help of atoms. Atom is the smallest unit of any matter. Here it is the atomic theory. Atom, that is proton, neutron and electron are its component of the atom. Proton and neutron are in the center of the atom and the electron outer of the atom. Proton has 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb positive charge, and electron has 1.6, that is 1 minus 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 coulomb charge on the electron. How charge produced? Charge is produced by transferring of electron. Transferring of electrons. How electron will transfer? It is by the by friction, how it create a charge on the body when we rub plastic comb on our dry hair. A plastic comb rub on the dry hair. Plastic comb charge positive and dry hair charge, negative charge. Why it create? Due to transferring of electron in the comb. Okay? Here it can attract a piece of papers. It attract the piece of papers and charge is produced. What is charge? Charge is the source of electricity and it conserved every time because charge is does not cannot create and cannot be destroyed. It is conserved in the matter. But when we rub the two matters, that is plastic comb and dry hair, or plastic rod with silk cloth, plastic rod change into positive charge and silk cloth plastic rod and silk rod, it create in negative charge. Plastic rod change into positive charge and silk cloth change into negative charge due to friction of electricity. Another method producing of charge, that is induction method. What is induction? Induction. Here it is a charge object, that is positive charge, and in the nearest side, that is uncharged object. It is charged and it is uncharged. But when it come closer to the charge object, it here the opposite charge, that is negative, and other side is create positive charge. It is due to induction method. It is due to induction method. The object, uncharged object, charged by the charged object due to induction. Thus, in this method, the charge create on the uncharged object by the induction method. But other type of is also charge, can charge the object. It is charge object. When we contact the uncharged object, it is charged and uncharged. When it brings to contact, it also charged by positively charged. It charge positive charge due to contact matter, and when it brings to negative charge, it also brings negative charge. So also with the help of contact of the object, it can charge of the object by the contact matter. Okay, now the SI unit of the charge is, SI unit of charge is coulomb. 1 coulomb. 1 coulomb is here charge. The charge is denoted by Q. Charge is equal to Ne. N means number of electron. N equal to number of electron. And C means coulomb. So SI unit of, so 1 coulomb equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. 1 coulomb charge is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. By the round figure, it is also 6 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. It is declared in the NCERT books also. Okay. Now, property of charge. Property of charge. Property of charge. Here, like charge repel to each other according to the coulombs. Like charge repel to each other and unlike charge attract to each other. Here the repulsion of the force in this box, positive and negative repel to each other according to coulomb. And here unlike charge, that is positive charge and negative charge, attract to each other according to the coulombs. Okay. Now, law of Coulomb. Law of Coulomb. Repulsion and attraction forces is directly proportional to amount of charge and inversely proportional to the distance of the charges. Here Q1 and here Q2, that is positive charge. The distance between them, that is R. So F is directly proportional to Q1 and into Q2. Also F is inversely proportional to R square, or F is proportional to Q1 into Q2 by R square here, or F is equal to K Q1 into Q2 by R square. Here K is positive constant. Here K is equal to FR square Q1 by Q2. SI unit equal to Newton meter square per Coulomb square. When K is equal to 1 by 4 pi E0. E0 equal to permittivity of the medium, of the medium is 0 equal to 8.4, is 0 equal to 8.854 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton per meter square. Also, or is 0 equal to 8.9 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad per meter. 1 farad equal to 1 coulomb square per Newton per meter. Farad is capacitance of SI unit of capacitance. It is declared as in the so F equal to K into Q1 into Q2 by R square. Unit force equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Newton meter square per coulomb square into 1 C square by 1 meter square. Here Q1 equal to Q2 equal to 1 coulomb and R equal to 1 meter. So F equal to hence 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. For unit charges of coulombs and unit distance, the force of charges is 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton. Thanks for this classes. यदि आपको ये पसंद आई तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. धन्यवाद. थैंक